Welcome back to my videos. Okay, in this video, I am going to be cooking on the grill and making some fried rice that my husband showed me how to make. So let's get this started. What I'm doing right now is filling the grill up with some charcoal. And this is the pre-lit charcoal, which I absolutely love. I also have some lighter fluid just in case it doesn't catch the fire. If you don't mind, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button? We would like to have you over here at this channel. So now that we got this fire started, I'm going to go ahead and get the food. What I did with the chicken was just put a bunch of seasons that I had in there. I'll list it down below. I also use mustard. Do you guys use spicy mustard for your chicken? I have been doing that for quite some time, and I absolutely love the way that it comes out. Now that we have the chicken and the hot dogs on the grill, we're going to go ahead and go back inside and get some fried rice started. So what I'm doing is starting off with some red peppers and onions. Unfortunately, this yellow onion went bad. It was in my refrigerator for a while. So I'm going to go ahead and go with a red onion. Now, you can use whatever onion that you choose. It really doesn't matter. I do like either the small yellow onion or this red onion. So what we're going to do now is wash the rice. I'm going to add 4 cups of jasmine rice. That is the type of rice that I'm using for this fried rice. I will be using cold water to wash the rice. I'm going to add a little bit of oil. I prefer olive oil, but I ran out. So all I have is vegetable oil. I'm going to put some of that into the pot. I am next going to add the onion and red pepper mixture that I mixed up. And then I am going to season it, and I will list what I've used below. So before I add the rice, I am going to season the onions and red pepper with the oil. So I'm going to add a little bit of salt, a little bit of onion salt. I believe I add some cayenne pepper to give it just a little bit of spice to it because I don't have any habanero peppers. I'm also going to put a few bay leaves in for flavor. I am adding some garlic, and I will be adding a little bit of the curry powder, the Jamaican style. So I'm going to go ahead and add the rice into the bowl. Make sure you use your hands to get all of it. I do not measure my seasonings, unfortunately, so I can't give you an exact amount. However, it's just whatever your taste buds. Normally, we like things just with a little bit of kick, not too spicy, and we'd like a lot of flavor in the rice. So that's why I added all the seasonings that I did. So right now I'm just going to stir the rice with all the seasoning, the onions, and the red peppers just to kind of make sure I'm coating all of the rice with the different seasonings that was just added. I'm going to add a little bit more of the vegetable oil just so the rice won't stick. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some water so now the rice can cook. So what I'm doing right now is adding 3 eggs into the pot so we can have a boiled egg with our rice and our grilled chicken. So now it's time for me to prepare their plates. And if you watch this to the end, thank you so much. Again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will be making more videos like this. And once again, Ramadan Kareem, and hope everyone have a blessed Ramadan. I hope you like what we made for dinner tonight. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.